Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to my Facebook page. Okay guys, last week I go drop my husband ring for where for buying because he get some issue and the chemical enter where my husband for the work, so I go give them, make them change am. So today they say me I can collect am. Now there they go now. And there they go now. I dey do this intro. I come up for house. I don't remember to do intro, so I dey do it for here. Okay, guys, come with me. Let's go to see how they transform the ring, guys. Let's go. Come with me, guys. How many of you hate when rain dey fall? Me, I don't like rain when rain dey fall. As I dey waka for here now, the thing they do me somehow for body. Especially this road, this guiding side, you know, as they be, they do me somehow for body. Sure, for ever pass inside this place. Yeah, let me go inside this place. Mamma mia, guys. Show you around. Yeah, this one I when the girl bring out the ring. Wow, the ring come new, come fine. The ring come fine well. You know, come be like new one. Like say they never use them. Okay guys, this one when I want pay the money where they do. So I want pay her money. Then the girl can say I get a sconto. I get some money. I don't know what they call her because I get their card. Say I get some bonus. So I can say okay, may use that bonus to pay the money. You know, now so I can't pay only €7 with bancomat, then the rest I can plus and join now. So now guys, we don't finally get the ring back. Yeah, now you don't need chemical anymore. Maybe if you want to go work, you go to drop am for us. So now the small bag with this one, the girl give me, very fine pink bag. I go use am to put my jewelries. So I put that inside my bag. So as I come up for here now, I can say okay, make I reach Zara. So now Zara there, so I just see Giro Zara. I not see they not the offer. You know, guys, you know, say I dey buy offer. I'm going to not the offer. Now I Lingotto. I see I enter metro. They go Lingotto, guys. I come down for Gaza Benghazi. Here it is possible. Because I need to put to say the weather no. This thing. This phone. This thing. Oh, shit, how fast. Okay,